Hi guys, welcome back to Ethereal Orb. I have these little wood pieces today that we had sitting in our garage from some project or another. And I thought I'd pull them out for this little project. I have leftover paint, just little bitty bits of different colors. Some I have more than others. I have quite a bit of phthalo, although I use it a lot, so it's not such a big deal to have that left over. But I thought I might swipe with some phthalo glue. That might be pretty. But I just wanted to use it up, and I thought this might be kind of a fun way to use it, having these three little pieces that could be hung together. Do a little triptych here. So I'm not over planning, I'm not overthinking. I am going to do a swipe, probably with my ribbon. I tried that once, kind of liked it, so we're just going to see where it goes. And that's it. Doing this all by the seat of my pants today. I'm not sure which way I'm going to swipe. Maybe I'm under planning. Yes, there's over planning, but then there's under planning. I may be falling into the realm of under planning. But that's okay. It may be more fun to watch that way. So, I'm going to do definitely some of these that I have almost none of, just to use them up. I'm running out of the large cups. I think I only have a couple left. So, I don't want to have to buy more when I have plenty here that can be reused if I just use up the paint. So if I'm going to swipe with phthalo, I don't want too much, I guess. Too many blues, because then it'll just look like nothing. I have some metallic white. I know I'm going to use that in there. And as much as I'm not crazy about yellow, well, I don't know. Maybe I should use the light yellow. Like I said, no plan here. Oops. Okay, so let's try these with the yellow. Let's see though, I have not opened this one at all. I'm not sure if this one has, it seemed thick when I picked it up. I kind of moved it around. So we'll see. Oop. Yeah, it's a little thick. Oh, I need to refill my little water thing here too. Whoops, but this is just a day to use up what I have. So, there we go. I'm not going to mix anything new at all. I do have some red. I might put a pop of red in there. Okay. Or peach. Nope, nope. I also have pink. Pink goes a little too pastel, I think, for what I already have. Okay. So let's do these with the possibility of a pop of red. And we'll do some metallic white, possibly. Because these are very pale colors. And then we'll swipe with phthalo. Should I swipe down or... Maybe we should swipe this way. That might be kind of fun. That might be hard to do with a ribbon. Like I said, I've only done the ribbon once. This is kind of thick too. For a swipe, it's not going to matter so much. Put this right on top of that one. And we'll go under. That might be kind of neat. I have a song from Les Mis in my head. I am trying really hard not to hum along. Let me just say right now that I can guarantee that even those of you who like it, maybe especially those of you who like it, would not appreciate my humming or my singing. But it is taking some effort not to do it out loud, which seems kind of strange, but there it is. Okay. There's the last of that. So there is one container ready to be reused. Alright. Should we do some yellow? I'm afraid yellow is going, this pale yellow is just going to take it to a, well, it is spring. Not quite. The calendar says it's spring. The weatherman has not said it's spring yet, though. So, okay. back on there. Oh, you know what? I'm going to use this. Even though it's going to be dark with the... If I swipe from the top, it won't matter so much. Oh, I wish I had a little bit more of that. That is really a pretty color. I think that's deep blue sea. No, that's deep green black. Almost positive. I use that one a lot. That's just a craft paint by, can't remember which one right off the top of my head, but I love that color. Okay, there's another one, empty and ready to go. Let's just use the last of this. And then I have some more of that middle, or that pale green I'll use. And I'll throw in some of that white probably, and then halo. Ooh, we're getting somewhere. There's 3 containers. Oops. Okay, let's see. So let's use the rest of this. Put some more right, just a tad bit more right here. And maybe at the bottom. And then we're going to finish this one off. Yay! Making room for more colors. But I need to put my cups to dry. Okay. So let's do should I put just a little bit of red? Why not? Just now, you know what? Let's not, because it's kind of gonna look kind of beachy, oceany. Not beachy. I don't have beach colors, but kind of oceany. So let's just kind of leave it at that. I'll add some of the pearl white. Here. Okay. That's one I really don't mind having left over because I use, or metallic white, I always call it pearl white. I really like that metallic white. Let's start with the, oops. Now, because these have been mixed, some of them have silicone, some of them do not, depending on what I was doing with them. Some of them are mixed with Floetrol, some of them are mixed with Basics Fluid Matte Medium, and some of them are mixed with both. So there's just a whole mix, so I have no idea if we'll get any cells, or because, like I said, it's just a whole array of stuff. I think I'm going to swipe straight down. I was going to swipe at an angle, but I kind of like what's going on here. So, okay, there is, I lost count. Am I up to 5 or 6? I don't know. Okay, so let's get my ribbon ready. Maybe doing a straight swipe with a ribbon is unnecessary because I could use other things, but I already have the ribbon handy. So last time I did kind of some funky, whoops, I had a straw sitting there, wavy kind of lines with it, but that's what I have ready, so that's what I'm going to use. And I did like the ribbon because I could just kind of cut off what I was done with and keep going with it. Okay, let's use it. Okay, so let's just see. Ooh, pretty. Oh, that's pretty too. Oh, I like this. Okay. I'm not even gonna wipe it off between swipes because I kind of like that effect too. Pretty, okay. I like this. And then I'm gonna go, oh, you know what? I'm just gonna go over this again. Let's do this. Let's get a new piece of ribbon. Well, I want to use this ribbon. I don't want to cut. Let's do this. Because I really like this. Let's go over there. Just so that little bit of blue doesn't stand out as that was her first swipe. And you can tell because it's all blue. Okay, let's torch because there's some really interesting things happening here. See what else we can bring up. Oh, that's really pretty though. I kind of like the natural cells better than the torched cells on this one because they're very irregular. They almost look like snowflakes or something growing. And of course the torch cells are more round. There's quite a bit of paint on there if I wanted to tilt a little bit, but I do not. So I'm going to give you some close-ups, and then what I'm going to do is use just like a popsicle stick to put paint on any edges that didn't get covered. But this is really pretty, so let's do a close-up here. Okay, so here they are all together. Do some close-ups. This is really interesting, the way the cells happened in this one. And like I said, I don't know if it's because they're different things and all the mixes. That metallic white is really doing some fun things. That's pretty cool right there. Almost looks like snow. So there you go, another one in the books. We will see you next time, guys. Happy pouring!